Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, super excited. Got my shipment today from Mambi for some of the new products. I didn't get all of them. I will pace myself, but some of the ones that are out. So today we're gonna be seeing what I bought because I don't even remember. So yay! If you're new to this channel, welcome. I hope you are so excited about this as much as I am. And I hope you enjoy this video. This is like so fun. And if you're not new, then welcome back. I'm so glad to have you as part of this exciting adventure. So let's dig in. So, you know, not that it, like, the stuff's small, so it's not like shocking that it's in a small box, but for whatever reason, I just imagine it being in a bigger box. So this is the first time I have ordered from Mambi directly. Every other time has come from me buying through Hobby Lobby or Michael's, so I'm excited to see how they package it and everything. Apparently I need to do a better job of cutting this because I didn't do a very good job. And I love the sticker. Like, I don't even want to cut it. Your box of happy has arrived from Happy Planner. That's so fun. So they don't offer the sales normally, which is part of the issue, but at the same time, like, not a problem. Two of my little glitters from my scissors came off. Alright, so let's see. Here we go. Oh, here we go. So fun. Alright, let's see what I got. Hey babe, happy looks good on you. A little bonus sticker, that's so cute. Choose happy. Here's a little thank you. Use this code for 10% off your next purchase. Happier, plan a happy life. So hey, for all of you, I'm sure that will work. You can give it a shot. Isn't that cute? That is so cute. Alright, let's see. These are the sticky notes. So excited about these. I'm gonna whip these out today, I think, and put them in my planner. And so for what I'm gonna do is, for today I'm not gonna do this because here's a little mini. I'm so excited about this one too. But I'm gonna do an individual video of each item. A bigger flip through of them. So excited about these. So excited about these. With a little more in-depth flip through than what they have on the reveal. Squad goals. So excited about this sticker book. I couldn't even wait. Like, I could not even wait. I wanted all the new sticker books, and I'm not pregnant or anything yet, but I really wanted to get it just to have it in case, like, I can't get my hands on it for some reason whenever that time comes. But I decided since I wasn't pregnant at this moment, I didn't immediately need it in the future, so I'm excited that it's out there, but I'll wait on that one for a little while. This one I had to have. Colorful boxes. I use these ones all the time too, so this was super important, especially for even my to-do lists that I make daily. Love this. And then gold star quotes. Super excited about this one. And then this was a promotion that they had. If you bought that, this was in there free. So I got this sticker book for free, which is super exciting because I actually didn't buy this one ever, but I could see where it would be handy. So I'm not gonna do flip through this. I'm sure there's plenty of them out there, but this is basically just a bunch of different colors of letters. Not really a whole lot to flip through on there, but it's important, good to have. So it can't go wrong there. So excited about that too. So super excited about the new stuff. So to recap what I got, in addition to their lovely display, like, this is so fun to me. Hey babe, happy looks good on you. And it's not that it's anything special, it's just, I mean it is, but it's just like the little added touches that come in here. It just makes the experience so much different. And I'm feeling super excited about that. So to recap what I got this as a freebie, super glad. The gold star quotes, colorful boxes, and squad goals. The washi, I got the magical, I think is what it's called. It doesn't have a name on it, but I think it's called magical. And the little tiny sticker book and the sticky notes. So each video, I'm gonna do a video flip through every day this week. Well, pretty much every day this week of these items, excluding this one. So stay on the lookout for those, and we'll go through them a little more in depth, and I'll show you my favorite stickers from them. So, yay! Super excited. It's gonna be so much fun playing with all this stuff. And on the note of the things that I bought, there is, now obviously I already bought this food sticker book because that came out, but there is a lot of great new products. I think these washi things are gonna be so great. I'm so excited to try them. But there's a lot of them coming out. So be prepared for that, but also just be like, you know, there's a lot of good stuff out right now. They've really done a good job with this release, and I'm excited about it. And last release was super good, but I think there's a lot of good stuff at this one too. Even just things that are not planner related. So what I will probably do is revamp my planner a little bit and get it up, redo it. I like to organize it and get it good again. So, yep, super excited. So stay on the lookout for the videos, and I will get them back to you shortly. Talk to you all soon. Have a great day.